Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Oh, this video is gonna be different. I received a couple of things from Amazon. I've been waiting for them the longest time. um so I'm gonna unbox them. Follow me, like this video, and let's see what I got. I believe it's gonna be all good stuff. I'm still waiting on other stuff, but I didn't want to keep waiting instead of just doing this video with what I have here. And then if I have more stuff and it's enough to make another video, I will do another video. I'm so excited. I did open this one because I couldn't wait. So yeah, let's do this. Okay, channel, this is an unboxing today. I have plenty of stuff from Amazon. I'm sorry I cheated. I already kind of opened all the boxes. This right here, yeah, I kind of opened all the boxes. Sorry about that. Please subscribe to my channel and like. This right here, sorry, is to put the phone, and you have all the lighting here and everything. It's really nice. It's kind of like not that big. I thought the circle was gonna be bigger, but I'm content with this. I'm gonna try to hook up everything today. I'm using my phone to do all my videos for now. I'm planning on buying a camera really soon. So this is the first thing. This right here is the IV light from Sun UV. I saw that lots of YouTubers like Get Nail 32. She had this one and other ones as well. So I'm like, let me try this one because the other one that I had is not that good. So this right here is the cable to connect it. And the other light is gonna help me a lot, so I don't have to hold my phone or put it in a side. So you guys will have a better perspective of the videos that I make. Like, I just started doing videos, and I also just started doing my own nails and my mom's nails. So this right here is a UV light. I'm gonna try to do a review soon with this. It has 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and 99S slow. So I'm really excited. It's way bigger and nicer than the one that I have. Okay. These are small items. This right here are the safety bits. I've been cutting myself because I don't know how to use the drill yet. I'm still learning. So it's fine, medium, and coarse. And I also got them from Amazon. I'm gonna also try them really soon. This right here, I'm a little bit disappointed. I thought the diamond was gonna be way bigger. I was planning on doing the nail selfies with the diamond. I see a lot of people does that, and it's so cute. So it looks bigger on the video, but it's not that big still. I think it will look nice. What do you guys think? Leave me a comment. Yeah, I think I can still work with this. It's still not what I wanted, but it's really sparkly and beautiful. One's nail gel. It has the base coat, the top coat, and a mid as well. So I really like this one. So I'm gonna be using them really soon. And it's from Model Ones. Okay, guys. So this one right here. Oops, sorry. Is the dust collector. Let me move these boxes out of the way. This one right here is the box collector, and I'm really excited to using this one. I've been doing my own nails and my mom's nails, and it's so much dust that is crazy. So came with the instructions. It's pretty nice. It's white and silver here. That's the cable right here. That lamp, I hope, helps me to do better videos, so I don't have to hold stuff with my hand and my phone with the other hand. Ooh, I like it. It's not heavy at all, so hopefully it will help and I will be able to do my own nails and my mom's nails without all the dust. Have all that I bought. I'm still waiting on a couple other stuff. I just didn't want to wait until I get everything to do this video. Like I already told you, sorry about that. I'm new to this, so I'm making a lot of mistakes. The dust collector, this UV LED light that is way bigger than the one I have, and I heard a lot of good stuff about this one. The safety bits, the quartz fine and medium, the Modern Ones nail gel set, the diamond nail fee that I will be using, and the last thing, the one that I'm most excited about, the lighting that I will be able to hook up my phone, and everything will be so better and nice. Guys, if you like this video, please subscribe, give me a like and comment what content do you want to see in this new channel. Please subscribe, it will be so appreciated from me. Also, Instagram, follow me there, like my photos and my videos. My Instagram is LaViaSbella1. Please, thank you so much for everything. Hopefully I will be using this really soon. I will be reviewing them. If you guys want to see a video